Are you wondering which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we're comparing Cursor and Tray AI. Both tools help you with writing, research, and content creation. They aim to make your tasks easier and faster. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Cursor. This tool is designed to assist you in writing and brainstorming ideas. It offers a clean interface and focuses on helping you generate content quickly. You can easily use it for everything from blog posts to social media updates. Cursor is great for those who want a straightforward writing assistant. Now, let's talk about Tray AI. This tool also focuses on writing but has a unique twist. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze your writing style and suggest improvements. Try AI aims to enhance your content quality, making it a good choice for more polished and professional writing. So, what are the key differences? Cursor is more about speed and ease of use, while Tray AI focuses on quality and style enhancement. If you want quick content creation, Cursor might be the better option. But if you're looking to refine your writing, Tray AI could be the way to go. When it comes to features, Cursor offers basic writing support and idea generation. Tray AI, on the other hand, provides style suggestions and deeper analysis of your text. This makes Tray AI a bit more complex but also more powerful for serious writers. In terms of pricing, both tools have different plans with options for casual users and professionals. You'll want to check their websites for the latest details. In conclusion, if you need speed and simplicity, choose Cursor. If you want to improve your writing quality, go for Tray AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.